To always show always on display when the screen is off in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen. Tap lock screen and then tap always on display. If this menu is still off, tap the on off switch until the switch turns blue to turn it on. And then select show always as the display mode for your always on display. By choosing this option, now when your phone screen is off, your phone will always show always on display, where you can see the clock and notification if any, and other information you have set to be shown on the always on display. As you can see, when the screen is off, always on display will always be shown. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.